Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add depth and dimension to your text in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva PC version, desktop version. You can download it for free from official website. Don't forget to sign in with your account. So in order to do that, you can click apps and click design essentials, and this one, add depth and dimension to your text by type extrude. Take your typography to new heights with type extrude. Seamlessly integrate 3D extrusions into your text, instantly transforming your design from flat to dynamic. So click use in new design, or if you already have a design, you can use in existing one. And here we go. So you can type the text that you want, and you can choose the font. For example, this one, Phantom Fingers 1 2 3. Next, you can add your into your design. So there is an error here. So here you can try to change again. For example, let's try this one, and here. Now there is an effect that you need to upgrade into Pro. You have to upgrade your plan with the crown icon. You have to use Canva Pro to access this element. And the extrude effect, you can choose the color. This one, 3D shadow. Of course, you need to upgrade your account. And next, just simply add to design. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe the next button below. See you in the next video.